Alright, what's up everybody? It's finally very good weather, and yeah, I have my bike here, but I'm not going to show it yet because a lot of things have changed after the crash. But yeah, let's take a look. Yes, there she is in all her glory. Let's do a walk around, fast walk around, to look where the damage is and what I have done. So, the first thing that you might notice are these crash bars. These are from BSA Stunt Accessories. Normally they are used for stunting, but yeah, I thought these were really nice, and yeah, they cost like 120 euros for it. Sorry if it's a little bit windy, but it is windy, I can't do anything about the weather. But yeah, these are in candy red color. Yeah, normally it costs extra, but the guy said that he will do it for free. But it is very nice and sturdy material that he used. But I did need to cut a hole in my fairings, but yeah, I had a good hole. So now if you watch on the other side, I needed to modify the little coolant reservoir, the overflow, but that didn't take too long, and it still fits. Also doesn't look too weird on the bike, as I must say so myself. But yeah, the next thing I did is removed the top case carrier. Now you can see there is no GV rack anymore that obscures the view of the exhaust. And yeah, you can also see that I have removed the passenger pegs. It's also cool. Now you can see the whole tire. And I still need to get my new wheel striping from AliExpress, but that's stuck at the border. But yeah, at customs. So we will need to wait for that. Also, what I did is I have cleaned this pipe with Harpic toilet cleaner, the one that has sulfuric acid on it. And it does have a really good effect on the stainless steel. But I still need to clean it again because yeah, by daily usage it will go bad. And yeah, you have these two mounting holes still. I don't want to buy an extra passenger foot bag to keep this piece and add the GV top box again. So I just kept it like that, and I also have put in a charging port. It's from AliExpress too. I built it myself so it can accept my charger. So next up is yeah, nothing really much. Oh yeah, I need to show you this. To replace the top box, I have built this little top case. It's the same case as on the tank, but that broke off. So with the tank lock, 2 bolts, metal piece of plate, and the original GV extra thingamajigs that hold the top case carrier on the bike. And I still need to repaint it. So yeah, I thought of welding this thing myself, but yeah, screws and bolts and nuts and such are cheaper than a welder. Also I have bought these plates to cover up the passenger handles. Yeah, but I can't use them because yeah, this thing is in the way. So I put this back in, and that's really secure on the bike. I also have painted the right side of the bike, but you can't really see that I have painted it. Maybe with a really good view on the paint you might see it, but yeah, it's not perfect. But yeah, that's kind of the transformation from a touring bike to a sportier looking bike, which I like. And yeah, we also have put in the Philips Extreme Visions headlights. It does work, but yeah, I do not really ride in the dark because yeah, it's summer, as you can see here in the sun. So yeah, that's kind of it. I'm still waiting on this. It's also at customs, the new tank ring, so to cover it, to cover the damage I have put on the original one from the Baxter tank bag that I got. So yeah, it still looks very good. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with the next mods. Bye bye.